Today I'm going to be using markers, but not the way you think I am. I'm going to be using these as watercolors. And that is a thing, do not judge me. Many people know that water-based markers can be used as watercolors. Now, I've got all of these markers here, and some of these are from when I was 10. And these ones were when I was 10, and these were gifted me in last year in August from my aunt. But these markers, these are really good quality, okay? And I like these better, even though they do that thing with water-based markers.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop it!
The reason why I like these ones better is because they're scented. Like, you smell one of these, you are going to fall in love with these. And they have their own flavors. Like, this is bubblegum, this is blueberry, and this is strawberry. And this is, I think, strawberry ice cream, I think, and this is my favorite. Like, you smell this, you will be addicted to this. So, yeah, let's get to painting now. Now, the reason why I'm using my watercolor palette is because I'm used to these slot things. And they have just the right amount of paint I need to use. So that's why I'm using this and not a normal palette. And I'm going to do real time so you don't think I'm faking it and using actual watercolors for this. So yeah, I'm going to do real time when I'm actually going to be making the color. Well, I knew this before TikTok took over the world with this hack. And yeah, this isn't anything new for me. If you are on our YouTube or any social app on art, you might have come across this. Maybe. So yeah, let's actually get to painting now.
I just wanted to tell you guys that the pigment of this paint is not the best, and I don't even recommend this if you're a beginner, because you can get any other more cheaper watercolor and way more better than this. But if you just want to have some fun and you're just bored, I do recommend this. This is actually really fun to do. And in the end, art is all about having fun, and perfection is not what art is supposed to be. It's supposed to be fun, and you just have to improve over time and just exercise your skills. Like this was me 2 years back and with dirt cheap watercolors. And here, yeah, that's just the thing with art. You improve every day. And here I also finished my painting, and I hope you like it. And here it is. I literally melted markers down to make this, and I believe you can too. If you want to, that is. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.